Welcome to Acuity Training. In this short video, we'll introduce our Power Automate training courses and show you how we help you automate repetitive tasks and streamline your workflow. So why train with us? Our Power Automate training is award-winning, small and friendly, with an average class size of just 4, so no one gets left behind. Every course is hands-on, built around practical exercises and real-world examples. It's CPD-certified and includes 6 months of post-course support, the longest. So, what is Power Automate? Power Automate is Microsoft's workflow automation platform. It connects Microsoft 365 and other apps using flows, triggers and actions. The primary function is to automate repetitive tasks and streamline your work. Let's look at the courses. Our Introduction to Power Automate course is a one-day course for complete beginners. There are no prerequisites. You'll learn to navigate Power Automate, create a flow from scratch, work with triggers, actions and approvals, and create and edit templates. Our Advanced Power Automate course is a 2-day course for further development, teaching existing users Power Automate's most powerful functionality. You'll work with variables, loops and expressions, use adaptive cards, connect to the SharePoint API, and integrate with Power Apps. Each course comes with 6 months of free post-course support, so you always have help as you put your new skills into practice. We're so confident in our training that we back it with a 100% money-back guarantee. Check out the site for full details. To book your Power Automate training or to talk through the right course for you, get in touch today.